Hello, it's Monica, and it is time for hashtag Butterfly Craft Fest. Today I'm going to show you how to create this really cool box which closes easily and there is space to put lots of elements inside. If you haven't heard about hashtag Butterfly Craft Fest, we've got Monica, Paper Mona, Katarina, Marta and Denise, and we also have a calendar. And every Saturday at 9 a.m. we're going to bring you beautiful butterfly projects. And you can get my PDF with those butterflies if you follow those two rules, which are going to be in the description down below, and I'm also going to tell you about it later in the video. To create my box, I'm going to use Happiness Collection from LemonCraft. It is 12 by 12 inches cardstock and it has beautiful designs. I decided to use that beautiful leaf and daisies pattern. So I've got a panel measuring 9 3/4 by 11.5 of an inch. On my scoring board, I'm going to score it at 1/2 inch, all the way down 3 1/4, 6 inches, and 8 3/4 of an inch. When this is ready, I'm going to turn it 90 degrees and I'm going to create a couple more score lines. So the first one is at 1 inch, then 2.5 of an inch, 4 inches and 7 inches. And when this is done, now it will be time to fold and burnish all those score lines. And I'm going to show you a trick how to make this box work really well. So as you can see, I'm using my bone folder here, and this is the best way. I suggest you use about 200 GSM cardstock to create your box. And if you'd like to check all the other projects from Monica, Katarina, Denise and Marta, all the links are in the description down below, so go and check them out. Because their projects are simply gorgeous. So now when all those score lines are folded and burnished, it will be time to do a little bit of cutting. So first, as you can see, I've got that 1 inch at the bottom and I fold it up to the third score line. And I'm going to create some triangles here. I'm going to go on the score line and then like halfway through that panel to create a triangle. You will see that in a moment. The trick is to go like halfway through the panel. And then we're going to create a flap on the score line, which is 1/2 inch, and then we're going to create some cut lines at the top. So this is the bottom, or actually the top, and now let's create the flap here, and we're going to cut the bottom of the box. And you will see that when we assemble this box together, which is super simple. The trick here is actually to fold the 1 inch top flap the other way. This is the trick here. And also, it is a good idea to use your bone folder, all the score lines here as well, which will make it easier later on to open and close the box. Have you ever created a really cool box? Please let me know in the comments down below. And if you haven't, I really hope you'll feel inspired by our projects today. And if you create anything using that hashtag Butterfly Craft Fest, don't forget to share it on social media and tag me so I can see your projects. And this is the way you can get my free PDF with butterflies. And you can message me on Facebook, and I leave all the links in the description down below. As you can see, we folded the top the other way, and now I'm going to assemble the bottom of the box. The trick here is to do it like the first one and then the opposite one and then the other one. Now I'm going to use my bone folder to burnish it really well inside of the box, and when this is ready, then we can close the box and we can put the glue on the top flap, which will go inside and no one will see it. So as you can see, for this box you can use pattern design papers or cardstock. The choice is absolutely yours, and I think it will be perfect for some sweets, maybe some jewelry. I think this is such a special box. So as you can see, it opens really well. Just make sure the glue is set before you start maneuvering the box. Really cool. I really like those leaves here. There is plenty of space to put whatever you want inside. I think this one will be a very nice gift. Now it will be time to embellish the box, and to do it I'm going to use Lavender Mood from Craft O'Clock. If you haven't seen my video from last week, I used exactly the same collection from Craft O'Clock, and I'm going to create panels using those two design papers. So the first 4 panels measure 3/4 of an inch by 2.5 of an inch, and I'm going to assemble them at the top of the box. If you want, you can do it before you assemble the whole box together. But I really wanted to show you that this way is also possible. So now it will be time to decorate the bottom of the box, and I'm going to create 4 rectangles that measure 2.75 by 2.5 of an inch. And I absolutely love green and purple combo together. It is one of my favorites when it comes to colors. Do you like this color combo? Or maybe you have your other favorite color combo with purple? Please let me know in the comments down below. As I told you in the description down below, I left the links to videos by Monica, Paper Mona, Katarina, Denise and Marta with their beautiful projects for hashtag Butterfly Craft Fest. So don't forget to check them out and actually be inspired to create something beautiful today. So when this is ready, now it will be time to add some butterflies. I couldn't resist and I used my PDF with those butterflies. I fussy cut 4 of them, which actually have some green shades here. And I think green and purple, this is like the best combo ever. And when you add a little bit of white, oh, this is like the best of the best. I'm trying to shape the wings a little bit, and I'm only putting the glue on the body of the butterfly, and they will be adhered. Really quick, simple, and the box is completed. Please let me know, what would you use this box for? I'm really curious. What do you think about it? I really hope you'll give this one a try. So as you can see, it closes really nicely, and it is actually one piece of cardstock, so you don't need a lid. Really cool idea, and I really hope you'll give this one a go. And don't forget to check Monica, Paper Mona, Katarina, Marta and Denise, and use our hashtag Butterfly Craft Fest on your social media so I can see your projects to get that PDF with butterflies. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. Happy crafting!